Okay, blank screen. That's not what we wanted. Okay, bring in the camera. Okay, great. So, what do we got here? We got here a Razer. This one has, as per the notes, let's have a look at it now. Okay. Okay, so stuck on the boot startup screen and unresponsive to any keys, such as F1, F12, F1 to F12. I cannot access safe mode or BIOS either. Battery is also swollen, will need to be replaced. Okay. So battery is one concern, we're aware of that. Okay, 1 second. Hello, SureCan speaking. Yep. Okay. Most likely we're gonna pass on this one. Screens are quite expensive for these, and we have a 100% rejection rate. So yeah, we will refuse this job. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we have a rejection rate on the surfaces, unfortunately. Okay, let's have a look. We got the power. This is the recharger. So battery is swollen, which is normal. We get the green light. Let's just see what happens. So F12. So ideally we look at first the caps lock. From experience like this, freezing like this is usually a sign of the SSD failure. So the system is waiting for something to respond, hence nothing's happening. Okay, so what we're going to do, the battery is dead as well. We'll take the SSD out. The computer will actually boot normal to an error message. So we'll get a temporary SSD. Which may or may not boot depending on if there is any RAID. So this will pop out, to be careful. You know what, let me just check with that client. Maybe they got a half a black screen issue. second. Okay, let's see what they say. Yep, time bomb. Okay, does this one have a tape? No tape. Alright, see you later, alligator. Now with the SSD, Samsung 512. Pens are not that bad, but it could definitely, yeah, look at all this rubbish. Oh, gee, you can't see, sorry. Look at all this rubbish from the fan area. Yuck. Okay. Yeah, so the battery, I didn't even see. So that's the battery there. It's quite expanded. Time bomb. Okay. Yeah, it's got a 512 gig SSD. It's got 8, probably another 8 there, 16. Some plastic from the heat. More here, broken. Okay. So the laptop should turn on with just a so we put our own tester SSD. So we should be able to go, yeah, there we go, it's fine. So it will reboot again. We'll press delete, go into BIOS, which will be fine. So what is wrong with the SSD? We'll find out after this. Yep, there we go. So basically, (1.08), 2019 May, i7 Gen, HM370 chipset. Look at the time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, no RAID mode. This card changes. Okay, that should boot up fine. I think that will be the only problem with this guy. Let me check their SSD, what's going on. We can check it in this system, in fact. So we got a little dongle here. So it's a 512 Samsung one, just like the ones HP uses. Type C on this port. One day it will boot. Here we go. Okay, let's connect it. Have a look at device manager. That's fine. Okay, so let's have a look at disk management. Alright, so I'll blur the screen for now. Plug in the Type C. Looks like a failing SSD, more like. And have a look at event viewer. So the drive does come up, so it's a failing SSD. This is the Windows event viewer. Okay, so files are there, but the SSD is playing up. Interesting. Now Samsung's SSD Magician software doesn't give information about the OEM drives. We won't stress test it, but the data is there, that's for sure. Yeah, no encryption. Okay. Hidden file system for Razer recovery. Okay. So their SSD is good. I mean, dust is there, the main thing. Why is it behaving like this? That's another theory. I have no idea. Let's see if there will be any issues with the driver. Let's load that anyway. Let Windows load its drivers. Wi-Fi should be crazy. Downloading. ME driver, chipset, Realtek audio, Intel, the Wi-Fi. On the newer models, you don't see much of these. EC updater, nice. Okay. NVIDIA, here we go. Far out, what is wrong with you? Yeah, I just want to see the GPU performance. Hope it doesn't go blank screen. You know, we don't want to spend money on a dying system. While that's going on, let's just download. Hello, SureCan speaking. No hurt feelings, so basically that was a cracked screen which outweighs the cost. Nearly the replacement unit. We should have the NVIDIA come up here once the driver starts kicking in. Already fans are working overloaded. Screen should go blank, maybe. Yeah, so they've already reached 100 degrees. It's crazy. That's 100 there. That's the maximum, but it hasn't worked at that temperature for a while, but here it keeps going up. 100, 100, 100. Not good. So we're not going to actually run GPU tests. We just want to make sure the graphic card works, gets detected. Just want to see NVIDIA come up there. GTX 1080 with Max Q design. Okay, reboot. Yeah, there we go. The GTX 1060. Okay, that's about it. I don't have any other. That's got its nice refresh rate. But the fans are working overloaded. $144 Hz. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. So for this one, if they go ahead, probably do a full thermal cleanup. The CPU, GPU, disassemble the entire motherboard, new SSD, new battery. Yeah, wow, incredibly hot. It's probably no room for it to breathe. Yeah. Okay, we'll come back in another time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.